pretty soon she'll be looking like new again.
And we can better off, better off.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today is finally the day you put this thing back to the way she was a few months ago before the truck hit her, and it actually will look better because the bumper before it got hit by the truck was already messed up, so this is going to be even better. And we got a fresh painted fender since this one got crunched in, which you guys probably did not hear about, but that got crunched in by, yeah, so be careful where you park. And before we get into today's video, do have limited edition merch that just dropped yesterday. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, follow me right now. I do all my updates on there that before YouTube, so you will see new merch drop on there first, so you can get it earlier. So yeah, this Christmas edition t-shirt is good until January 21st. Why do I keep saying 21st? January 1st. Get before then. Limited edition. And here is the new bumper and fender, and here's the tip. Don't go to Mako, and here's why. If you guys remember my desk that's in my basement in my older videos, this is the fender from that desk. Now I asked them to fix any dents or dings that they find. What's that? What's that? I mean, unless you really look for it, but look at that. I wanted it done right. I told them I wanted this done right. I didn't want something that was, there's even a scratch there. I mean, here it's like, here's all rough. They didn't even sand it down, they sprayed over it, over the old paint, but it is what it is. The bumper, on the other hand, was not painted by Mako. I actually bought this on eBay. If you guys watch Derek Barron on YouTube, if you saw his, when he first got the cover bumper, he bought the bumper from the same place that I bought mine. I paid about 420 bucks. Prices went up since he's bought it, but it is dirty right now. It's baby powder, that's how they ship it, so it doesn't get scratched up. It turned out not too bad. It turned out better than the freaking fender, but oh well. I mean, the whole car is going to get painted at some point, so I don't really care. Before we continue, shout out to LMR because he sent me new badges. Because I bought 4.6 badges about over a year ago. The red came off on the dot, and I emailed him about it, or I didn't email. I sent him a message on Instagram, and I said that it came off. It washed off after a few washes, and he sent me new ones. So this is a perfect opportunity to use this one. Which, huge shout out to them. Great customer service, and definitely gonna be buying some more parts from them in the future. What do you mean? That one's not staying on. How's that gonna look stupid?
Why did I just peel it off?
Because it's being hung up. What did you call these before? Iconic. So we're keeping this iconic fender, and it's being hung up in the basement as memories. Yeah, she likes peeling stuff, so I'm gonna let her peel those off. The iconic fender stripes, I don't want to do it, but it would look stupid if I have one. I mean, that'd be like a backwards Grand Sport Corvette or Dodge, wherever has these stripes anymore. Everyone's using these stripes. But right now, removing the bumper. Kind of messed up the chin spoiler just a little bit more, but tempted to order a new one. Hopefully LMR can hook me up with a cover chin spoiler, but I highly doubt that's going to happen because I guess I'm not cool enough yet. What'd you say? When am I ever cool? I mean,
I'll take those off.
no, that stays.
Oh, unplug this.
I don't know what happened if you unplug that. Whatever it is, you're paying for it. Pause off. Pause off. It won't fit your car. Little six banger. That looks weird. Alrighty guys, it's currently the next morning, and sorry, I literally just woke up, and there is a problem. the fender doesn't match at all. Like, it is dark, a lot darker than my colors. You know, you'll see. Hold on. It's hard to tell on camera, really, but there's no way Mako can say that the paint is faded on the rest of the car and this is fresh paint, because that paint is new, and so is the bumper. The bumper was literally just painted maybe a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, so no way a bumper fades that quick when it sits in the garage the whole time. I mean, even the bumper wasn't even seen by anybody, and it matches a lot better. I mean, look at that. That's almost a perfect match. And ignore that. That glue has to come off. I gotta figure out how to get that off. So, today, taking this thing back to Mako, showing them. I hope they can fix it. I really don't feel like tearing the fender off again. I'm tempted to give them my whole car, but I'm scared to do that, honestly. I think my goal is to get my money back, because come on, I mean, I've seen people like not even look at my car. Like when my hood was painted, no one looked at the car. I just gave them the paint code. It says performance red, the code is ES, and they mixed it, painted it, and I was nervous that it wasn't gonna match, and it matched. Same with my second bumper, or my first bumper that was ever painted. Never looked at the car, gave them the paint code, matched. And this one's off eBay. This new bumper is off eBay. I bought that. The guy was like in Michigan, I think. Didn't even need pictures of my car. I just told him the code, and I told him to name me the color. Got it in, matches. So I gave Mako the same thing. The dude looked at my car and still didn't even get it right. Here you can definitely see the difference. It looks like the quarter panel, and the quarter panel doesn't repaint. I'm going to do that myself with spray paint. But seriously, that is awful. Even though the fender doesn't match, she does look a lot better than having that crunched up, all sharpied up bumper. We made it at Mako. I'll get you guys updated when we talk to the guy, to the manager, I guess. Well, Mako said he can't do anything for 2 weeks, or anybody can, because the paint has to cure for 2 weeks, which is wonderful. So I'm stuck with a non-matching fender, but it is what it is. I don't really care at this point, but gonna go get the 2 cars washed up real quick, so since we're in town. Alrighty guys, it's currently a day later, and after, I don't know if I already said, but after talking to Mako, he said it has to cure for 2 weeks, which I really don't see why. I mean, I talked to a few body shop guys, and he said it should take like 48 hours if they baked it. And they pretty much had to bake it, because they got it done pretty quick. I mean, he got it done less than 24 hours. But, I don't know, if it would have matched, I wouldn't be as upset, because it does have a few nicks in it where they didn't sand down the old paint, because the old paint had some rock chips in it. They didn't sand it down like they said it was, but it's obvious. And I know a lot of you are going to be saying, why did you go to Mako? You know the reputation. Well, I've had several people tell me that they stepped up their game and that Mako's actually decent, and I've seen people's cars that went to Mako and had body parts painted on, like hoods, bumpers that were aftermarket, and it actually looked good. And I said screw it, I'm going to take it to Mako. I'm going to try it out, and if Mako sucks, then I'm going to put them out there. But I really want to get a refund. Honestly, I'd rather just get a refund. I don't want to leave my car there, because I heard that they will leave overspray on your wheels and all that stuff, or your engine, either one. Maybe if you get lucky they won't, but it's sad that an eBay bumper where they've never seen the car, I didn't even send the guy pictures, I just gave him the paint code, matches better than a fender. When the guy looked at it, when I dropped the fender off, because I hauled the fender in the back seat. But it is what it is. It's got the new bumper on it. It doesn't have that beat up, cracked up bumper. I mean, that was, oh my god, that was stressing me out every day. Like, I didn't even feel like cleaning my car because it was so messed up. But now she's back together. She's got a fresh paint job, and I can't wait to wax it, honestly, because I washed it. It's still got the baby powder on it, but as soon as I wax it, it will you know, obviously won't stick as much. Okay, and at the beginning of this video, I mentioned a new line of merch. Well, not a new line, but a new t-shirt. And here's the new t-shirt. It actually just came in the mail today. I express shipped it. This is what it looks like in person. It looks really good. It's very comfortable, and I know there's like a stain right there. I got icing from my cupcake on there, but that's not part of the shirt, okay? But yeah, this is the limited edition Merry Christmas ReaperGT shirt. It's available until January 1st, 2021. So guys, go ahead and pick this up. This is gonna be the only time this design will be out. It will not be back next year. There will be a new, different design next year. This is very limited, so go ahead and grab it now. It's only like $24, $25, so go ahead and grab it right now. And every single dime I get back from merch goes back into the channel, which means it goes into the car or camera equipment and all that stuff. I invest my, you know, my earnings. Like with YouTube money, I got paid twice so far. I invested it back into YouTube. I use that money to help pay for the bumper and Fender. And when you get your merch, make sure you follow me on Instagram and use hashtag ReaperGT. I will scroll through the comments, or not the comments, the hashtags on Instagram. And if you're wearing my merch, I will shout you out at the end of every single video. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end it off here, but she does look a lot better. Even though the fender doesn't match, just ignore that. That is not permanent. Give it a few weeks, it'll be back to color matching. I'm going to take it to probably a better place. But man, that bumper looks so much better. And yes, I'm going to be getting a new lip. I don't know when, but it's most likely going to be an actual Cobra lip from LMR. But I need to get them to sponsor me one day. LMR is so good with their the way they treat content creators. So I would love to be sponsored by them. I mean, they are literally the best customer service. They will communicate with you, and their products are great. I mean, you can't beat LMR. Alrighty guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time.